So how about attaching affixes? How does it affect the sound, the letters ba and ga? So whenever attaching affixes, we still follow the rules, the previous rules. Okay. So when the prefix ending with a vowel sound plus words beginning with letter ba or ga. Let's study the examples here. We have ma, a prefix. Then we connect it to the word biskay. Biskay means fast. Now, as you can see, as you can hear here, biskay uses the ba mahantap sound. Ba, biskay. Because the letter ba here is at the beginning of the word. But when we attach the prefix ma, it now becomes mabiskay. Mabiskay. Not mabiskay. Okay? Why? Because the ba sound here now assumes the ba mahangin sound because it is now in between two vowel sounds. Mabiskay, not mabiskay. Okay? From ba mahantap to ba mahangin. So when we attach prefixes ending with a vowel sound like ma, na, naka, and we add words beginning with letters ba or ga, like here, naka, giik. Giik assumes the ga mahantap sound because it is at the beginning of the word. Ga, ga, giik. Giik means step, to step on. Now, when we connect the prefix naka, it now becomes nakariik. 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 The ga here now assumes the ga kahak sound, which is the softer sound because it is now in between two vowel sounds. Naka and giik. Nakariik. Not nakagiik. Nakariik. Nakariik. Next, we have words ending with letter ba or ga, and we connect them with suffixes starting with vowel sounds. So this is now the opposite. So what about words ending with letters ba, like saug, saug, and then we attach a suffix starting with the letter ba with a vowel sound, like an. Now we read this as saowan, saowan. Again, the ba in the first word, first example, saub, assumes the ba mahantap sound because it is at the end of the word. But when we attach a suffix, like the suffix an, starting with a vowel sound, it is now, the ba here now assumes the ba mahangin sound because it is now in between two vowel sounds. So we read this as saowan, saowan, and not sauban. Okay, saowan. Same with letter ga, daug, daug. It assumes the ga mahantap because it is at the end of the word. But when we attach the suffix un, which starts with a vowel sound, it now sounds like daugun. We now pronounce this as daugun, daugun. The ga here now assumes the ga kahak sound because it is now in between two vowel sounds. Daugun, daugun, and not daugun. Okay. So that is all for this lesson. So we learn the letters ba and ga in Bahasa Suffix are both unique. They have two different ways of pronouncing their sounds. For letter ba, we have ba mahantap and ba mahangin, and for letter ga, we have the ga mahantap and ga kahak sounds. We learned that ba mahantap and ga mahantap are used when the letters ba and ga are at the beginning or found at the beginning of the sentence or a word, or in the middle of a word or a sentence, but preceded or followed by another consonant or glottal stop, or at the end of the word. But when the letters ba and ga are now in between two vowel sounds, we now use the ba mahangin and the ga kahak sounds when they are in between two vowel sounds. And lastly, also a reminder, we should never use the letters va or wow, w or wow, or n, va, to replace the airy ba mahangin sound. Attaching affixes like a prefix or a suffix also follows these rules. So that's all, Magsukul. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like if you learned something or you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow our social media sites. We have our Facebook page, our Instagram, and our Patreon. Also, please visit our website at www.tausūg101.com, or if it doesn't load, just proceed to www.tausūg101.wordpress.com for tutorials, free lessons, and translations. This is our new website actually. And again, my name is Ahmad. Thank you for watching. This is Tausūg101, Learn Sinūg and anything Tausūg101.